Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this first example video on how to solve an Ohm's law problem. Now, I'm going to show you in general how to solve lots of electrical problems, and as we go through, we'll start spotting patterns and working out a strategy of how to do it. So, here, first step is list the values that are known and the unknown value. So, let's go down to our question and try that. 15 ohms resistance. As you go through, I would write the letter representing each one. Ohms resistance, R for resistance. You can see that there. Is powered by a 3V battery. V is voltage, and the letter we use is V. What is the current in this circuit? Confusingly enough, current isn't C. Current is given by the symbol I. So as you go through the problem, I would be writing what you have above. So we know R, we know V, we don't know I. And that's okay. So we've got three letters. Then, there are lots of equations. I haven't explained equations B or C to you. That happens further down this page. But what I'd like you to do is look at the equations and think, well, I've got the ingredients V, I, and R. Which of those equations has V, I, and R? And it's the first one. So we'll use the first equation. And the first equation is V equals IR. And it's an excellent idea. In fact, I insist on it. You write down the equation first, then substitute in numbers. Voltage is 3. Resistance is 15. The only thing we don't know is I. 3 equals I times 15. Now that is just an algebra problem. We want to rip that 15 away from the I, leaving the I by itself. So divide by 15. Divide by 15. I'll continue over here. What we get then is 3 on 15 equals I. And that would be a completely acceptable answer, except that we have no units, and really we can make that a bit simpler. 3 on 15 is the same as 1 on 5. And then I would say current equals 1 on 5 amps. So using the table up here, current is measured in amperes, or you can shorten it to amps, and the symbol is A for it. Current's a weird one in that respect. Alright, part B. What would the current be if you changed to a 30 ohm bulb? Same as before, V equals IR. So we're just substituting different values here. There's a 3 volt battery, we don't know I, and the current is now 30. Sorry, the resistance is now 30. Same again, we divide 30. Divide 30. 3 on 30 equals I. 3 on 30 we can abbreviate to 1 on 10. A factor of 3 comes out of both. And therefore current equals 1 on 10 amps. I should give it a capital. Okay, I'll do one more. A digital recorder plugged into a 120 volt outlet. V has an operating resistance of 10,000 ohms. R, how much current flows through this device? I. I. Once again, we have V, I, and R. So we know that V equals IR as our starting point. Then we substitute values in. 120 equals I multiplied by 10,000. Get I by itself. Divide by 10,000. Divide by 10,000. Oh, lost the 1. Then we have I equals 120 on 10,000. If you want, you can put that entire number into your calculator. If you do that, it will simplify it for you. Otherwise, I'm fairly happy if you just answer that way. I is equal to 120 on 10,000 amps. Alright. Please let me know if you get stuck on any of the others, and give me a call. Thank you very much. Bye.